Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer. We're back at it after the long 4th of July holiday weekend, and we are checking out a shift in air masses. So if you're somebody who's not a huge fan of all the heat and humidity that we've had around here over the last couple of weeks, we actually are returning to a much less humid and more comfortable air mass, at least for the next couple of days. A few isolated sprinkles and very light rain showers from Grand Rapids over toward the Lansing area and points off to the south. Again, those aren't terribly widespread, and they're not going to last very long. So again, if you do wake up to some wet pavement out there, if you see a few raindrops on your windshield on the way to work or wherever you're heading first thing this morning, keep in mind that the drier air is going to take over very quickly today. So we dry out with decreasing cloudiness, comfortable humidity levels, and we do remain mostly dry in the upcoming week's weather. However, we do have a few shower chances on Wednesday, and as the heat and humidity start to surge back in again Thursday into Friday, we will be looking at the potential for a few isolated shower and thunderstorm chances. Again, they're not great, so unfortunately we definitely could use some rainfall. It doesn't look like we're going to get a whole lot of chances for it. 61 currently in Big Rapids, 70 in Three Rivers. So again, the air settling in, that more comfortable air from north to south. Temperatures are a good 5 to 15 degrees cooler than we were at this point yesterday morning. So you walk outside and you can definitely just feel that brand new air mass settling in. So far this month, we've had several days with high temps in the mid to upper 80s. 93 only hit 90 or better one time this month, even though it's felt like we've been in the 90s several times because of the combination of the heat and the humidity. Those dew points in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees, sending those heat index values well into the 90s several days over the holiday weekend. The temperature trend over the next several days, you don't see that we don't have any 90s that are plotted out, but we will reach the upper 80s on Thursday and upper 80s to possibly 90 on Sunday. And in terms of the humidity, those dew points really crashing over the next 48 to 72 hours, and then they'll start to creep back up again as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Precip chances, again, we've got rain chances every day, but they're really quite low, so I wouldn't cancel your plans based on that. And by the way, the drought monitor, we are unseasonably dry here across the central part of lower Michigan as we are running a 2-inch precipitation deficit since the beginning of June. And as you can see here, the frontal boundary that we've been tracking over the last 24 hours continues to move away from us, opening the door for, once again, that decreasing level of cloud deck as we head through the afternoon and early evening hours. It'll be a very pretty sunset this evening and a gorgeous sunrise on tap for our Tuesday. As we check out conditions tomorrow, a couple of isolated showers try to roll in. Again, those really won't have much luck. The air drying out overhead, so if you do happen to catch a passing shower over the next couple of days, I'd say consider yourself lucky with, again, that drought situation that has started to develop. Beach hazard statement and a small craft advisory both kick into effect starting at 4 o'clock this afternoon through 10 o'clock this evening. So if you're heading to the lakeshore today, just pay careful attention to what will be changing conditions. And then the rest of that 7-day forecast showing you a chance of a shower or thunderstorm later Friday into early Saturday. And the overall pattern, unseasonably warm air right into the third week of